Well, here's an update on the Charger. Slowly getting it back together. Got the front bumper back on. That was a pain in the butt. Rear bumper diffuser is now on as well. Just working on the wide body kit and just applying all the 3M tape. I got the brackets attached to the fenders already. Just use some self-tapping screws. Don't really want to show the process of this. I just want to get it done and show you guys and girls the end result, but I am super pumped right now. Let's get this wide body kit on. Oh, we got our spoiler in today too. It's an Icon V3 spoiler, like a bigger duck bill. I'll pull it out of the wrapper after. You'll see it. All right, let's get after the wide body. there you have it. We got the car all back together. Wide body, paint job, spoiler, rims. Let's flip this camera around. I'll give you guys and girls a quick peek. 2018 Dodge Charger Pursuit, ex-cop car. It looked just like this a couple of days ago. And we turned this cop car into a Hellcat looking Dodge Charger, all-wheel drive, by the way, Pursuit. So we got the diffuser, we got the Icon V3 spoiler on there, we got a full wide body kit, like the Vic-Res wide body, back bumper with all the vents, side skirts, Hellcat replica wheels. We got the Pursuit badging on the fenders. The paint job came out really nice. I decided to paint the mirrors as well. I polished up the headlights a little bit to make them a little bit brighter. Right now we got a black hood that I glued some vents down just to give it a little bit of a look while we're molding in a new hood scoop onto this hood here. I pulled this black hood off and put it on that car, so I was kind of lucky to have a black hood just kicking around. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the car and how it turned out. I also added these lime green little air duct vents, or whatever you want to call them. Super pumped on this build. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.